Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna install a new piece of gear on the back of the Forester, and they are MOLLE racks. They comes from the Netherlands because it's my good friend Lloyd from MADEBYMADE who make them. So make sure to check all his work on his website at madebymade.nl. You can also check his Facebook page and his Instagram account as well. I'm gonna put all the links and his email address in the description down below so you can contact him easily. He also got lift kits and skid plates for SF5 Forester, so that's a very good news for us European Subaru enthusiasts, but you can also contact him for custom work. So about the racks, they are laser coated 5mm alloy, so they are pretty lightweight. You can order them by pair or just one side if you don't need two of them. They come in raw, but I painted mine in black because I just wanted them black. That's it. So in order to install them, it's pretty simple. You have 7 screws on each side, and the best way to do it is to pre-drill a 5mm hole to get the install easier. So now let's get to it. I'm gonna fit them, test them, and give you my thoughts about this piece of gear. Guys, so as you can see, the MOLLE racks are on, and as expected, it was a very straightforward procedure. 7 holes with a 4mm drill and 7 screws. That's it. 10 minutes and the job's done. So with your MOLLE racks, you need MOLLE pouches. I ordered some, and we're gonna see right now how they fit. So I'm gonna start with this dump pouch, and I'm gonna put it just right there. And that's it. After a few minutes, the pouches are on the MOLLE racks. I'm not gonna lie, it was a bit tricky, but it's always the case with a MOLLE system. Okay, so I'm really happy with the MOLLE racks and the pouches because I really wanted to use this space on the back of the Forester for storage, and I didn't really know how to do it. I was thinking about strapping some backpacks here or stuff like this. Lisa, my girlfriend, wanted me to build some kind of boxes, but with an opening from the outside of the car. So that was a pretty good idea, but it was way beyond my building skills. Okay, so I think that the MOLLE racks are a very good solution. They are easy to install, and it's a very good use of space. The MOLLE system provides a very wide range of possibilities with different pouches and placement. And another thing, don't worry about the 7 screws who hold the racks, because the whole assembly is very, very sturdy. Honestly, they're not going anywhere. The only cons I can find with this system is that you have to drill into your interior plastic, so if you want to keep them clean, that's definitely not an option. and secondly, you're gonna lose your rear window view. So if you were used to it, that's gonna be a bit disturbing at first. Okay, so that's it for today and for the MOLLE racks. I'm very happy with them. I still need to get some more pouches. I'm probably gonna put my camp IFAC on it. So stay tuned, I'm probably gonna share this with you as well. So make sure to swing by LLOYD website, it's madebymade.nl. You can also check my new merch, my Facebook page and my Instagram account. All the links are gonna be down below in the description as usual. So thank you guys for watching and see you next week.